Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A80 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and a quick disclaimer, make sure that you've got the internet connection. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's up to you, however the internet connection is required. So now in the settings we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device, and all we have to do is to tap on this color OS toggle button, whatever. Simply tap on it and you can see that your device will check for the updates. Basically, you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your device is up to date, the version is up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course, you can tap on it and learn more. Or the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to simply tap on download or install to apply the updates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.